This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so you get the videos I put them out, see what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell every day, the data they release us is false. It meant to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, this is a lawsuit update. You guys know I filed a motion with the courts yesterday in order to remove the SEC from the lawsuit. That was the only way that I could get the lawsuit to move forward, to get the case to the discovery phase, and that is what I did. And the judge put out an order this morning. I'm going to read the order to you. Paperless order. This cause came before the court because plaintiff, Donahue George's motion requesting dismissal of the SEC as a defendant pursuant to Federal Rules of Civil Procedure 41A, which the court liberally construes as a notice of voluntary dismissal, and plaintiff's notice of dismissal pursuant to Federal Rules of Civil Procedures 41A. In the two notices, plaintiff seeks to dismiss defendants Weibo, CFTC, and SEC. Okay? Upon consideration of the notices, the pertinent portions of the second, and being otherwise fully advised in the premises, it is ordered and adjudged that the above style cause is hereby dismissed without prejudice as to defendants Weibo, CFTC, and SEC. The clerk of the court is instructed to terminate the defendants from the case. Now that all remaining defendants have been properly served, the parties may move to reopen the matter upon holding a joint scheduling conference and filing a joint scheduling report. Okay, this was signed by Judge Michael Moore. Now, what you guys don't know is when they put without prejudice, that means I can still file a lawsuit against the defendants in the future. But the reason I had to remove these guys from the lawsuit is because the parties, more like Citadel, Ken Griffin, they were complaining that because these parties weren't served, they did not have to participate in discovery, which is absolutely crazy. Okay? This is absolutely crazy. This does not happen in any other lawsuit. But now that everybody has been served, the ones that were alleging bad service are no longer part of the lawsuit. Now, the Ken Griffin, DTCC, FINRA, has to sit down and schedule a conference so that we can prepare the joint scheduling order and submit it to the courts. So hopefully that gets done within the next week or so, and then we can start doing discovery. We can start getting documents. We can start deposing witnesses. And that's really where we need to get to. We need to get the depositions. But also, just because SEC, just because these other agencies are no longer part of the lawsuit, that don't mean that they can't be subpoenaed to be asked questions as to their role in the fraud and corruption related with AMC and GME. So this is a positive thing. This means the lawsuit is now moving forward. And I sent an email to the opposing counsels today, requesting them to set a date so we can have this conference, so we can prepare the joint scheduling order and get it to the courts so we can start the discovery process. And this is really what we need. We need the discovery process in order to see exactly who was doing what and when. And also, then we can file that preliminary injunction to see about getting a share count and shutting down the dog pools. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think it's great that we should be getting a conference probably within the next 2 weeks to get this lawsuit moving? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.